That severe weather causing dangerous road conditions in Indiana days after storms left thousands in the state without power.
WGN's Angelica Sanchez reports from Indiana with the very latest.
State police say that strong winds are to blame for 5 overturned semis on I-65 northbound. Thankfully, no injuries are being reported, but this comes as parts of northwest Indiana are still dealing with power outages and debris caused by Sunday's storms. Powerful winds blow through northwest Indiana. State police say Wednesday's weather is to blame for overturning 5 semis along I-65 near the Lowell exit.
Without much warning, just they were driving along really at a reduced rate of speed from what I understand. And all of a sudden that large gust of wind came out of nowhere.
We spoke with one of the drivers who says he saw semis in front of him blown over. Before he knew it, he was being picked up too.
I had to take my belt off. Try to turn the engine off because I was afraid of fire, and then try to open the door because the wind was so strong I couldn't open either. So was doing my best. Once I get off, hard to me to jump off the truck because I was feeling a little bit of pain on one of my legs.
This round of strong winds comes as parts of northwest Indiana have been without power since Sunday's storms.
Very frustrating. My own son can't stay at the house because it's so cold. It's 32 degrees in our house.
NIPSCO Power Company says all available resources are continuing to work as safely as possible to restore power to customers. A 4 p.m. update says 2,200 customers remain without power. That's down from 40,000 customers. The company says 1,000 customers lost power this morning due to additional storm activity. We were there when the lights came back on for this neighborhood.
It's a big relief, a big sigh of relief, so it's amazing the feeling that you get after 4 days of not having power.
Back on the road, all eyes on the next anticipated round of severe weather.
It's been a rough week.
Again, no severe injuries are being reported, but with more anticipated severe weather on the way, authorities are asking drivers to check the forecast before hitting the road. Reporting in northwest Indiana, Angelica Sanchez, WGN News.